Hello, everybody. You're from a Yao. Do that one again.
You're doing good.
So, hello, everybody. You're from a Yao Boku. No. One more time. Yeah. Okay. So, hello, everybody. You're from a Ben. I'm treating the Yao. Right now, you are watching Tum
Media.
Tum Media.
Of course, Tum.
Tune into Tum Media.
I said Tum Media. Yapoku just said it. Watch Tum Media. And then
Media.
you're going to get
Check
the
it out.
best update and the best news and everything. Thank you so much, Yapoku.
Of course.
And have a good evening. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Tum Media.
Tum Media.
Yeah.
Hey, any.
Aye.
Tum Media.
So what I say? Tum Media.
Tum Media.
Nice.
Yenye you were from. Ekoye nsuso. Ekoye akasa.
Let's go again, DJ. Let's go.
That's why I was Denver. Denver, Colorado, United States of America. The name has always been an ASANTEHENE. And then, KENTE dance now. It is very serious. We are KENTE and we are Kasafano. Yep. It's you're showing me say, Ufrapo and Sabah say hono. It's and the program actually said it in KENTE dance and dinner. Basically, we are here to showcase our KENTE wear, KENTE apparel that we know say if we Ghana, Bonue, and then that ankle for no. It's in Ghana for I walk Denver. Maybe move free New York, maybe move free Texas, maybe move free all over the United States. And I will do Hanuma or celebrity. And right, and I swear in Nana Usababio, and I Sunday no. The day KENTE dance na so say the one who know ma shabe KENTE the fair KENTE che what I say ana ma shama tade na it's area na ma for bedi komo ya bisa wo ma tade na show wo no ma na address wo mo and then about the fashion design and the now what shall be now what try the expectation.
And let me say, one day I wap in my feet, my African girl, me new bauba, me new bauba, me new bauba, me new bauba, Manuela, I see you say, Yami wanna be. Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Do you feel it? That's Okay, Obi say, why am I so through like that? I
say as the day kind me the mama utwedi ampon say onam na dom so na oboa yen no ahwe yen so be afi next friend na Denver for catch me say and now me me say me meso me nua panyi tuom na me nua mine anymore Colorado hano afi ni nyankopon aboa amade bia no ekoso kama de toso bi mu so no opim so na say to de eyi ne nemu mpaboa na eyi edi se na ESSUMEGYAMANHENE ODENEHO KUSI NTRAMA say omra no metina nemu no hwe me bibia anya na nim so OTUMFOUR so de ni shama wa de oye bia no tienra nananom free Washington, New York, New Jersey, Dallas, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio. Everybody odobe bodo muma bibia ye bia no eko kama. Ti de si no ade ene ne de nyame adom nti no bibia koso kama.
Wow. The nyame ase bibia koso tote. Na yen hwe nyame adom bibia akọ awiye a bompa ese bibia be ko bibia free buy. How does the future look like? Sena you share any more fa. When you are doing for Denver, or he need a hearing is a bit from. Then I will percent nanom ne nkunya otisu yo any amount.
Yo. Nananom de say omota echia ne bia no ni so ade hunu ba ko a isimani so a me ba bebesi akonya nto de di kan pa en kambo se kromo anam no sebi yo ko foforo ho no mo a mo so asantefo a no mo nyina kan ye ho na entime ho ase bi bae ma omoko koti omo ma be na masede se me di omo san ba ebefie na asembi o bia no etimi di amane ne kana entiase eye adwuma no mo san ba fi asante e ba kope eno ne de kan esimani so de tosumienu eye yenkro ya wo mo kromo eno ye kasa no omo oka no so ka brofo na akora bi ka kire me se so oka twia ne brofo no nya asenta na msu da bi se ye ne asenta na e wo no ye twi na ye kan ntina ye wa asenta so da bi nya sa na te me ye wo me Africa into no twi na ye me first language ntina me ka me wa asenta no so no so tua twi na o ka brofo na be perfect by the be an the twi no nya asenta ti me hu se ye ma no se ye say ye tro mu twi no as second language a omo be interested to no de simani so de to sumi no simani so ne say ye ne teacher for bi edi juma o Ghana say e betimi aboabo e mana no bi a Saturdays say 1 hour kra na e devoted so omo ba be so atwi a e did say omo benya interest because omo tu eska kosua Spanish omo tu eska kosua German second language omo pick second language ti ye kasa na already no mo tidada no say to me abdu baby am omo ko no mo kosua e did say be the tosumi ensan so education ya say OTUMFOUR our mobile library out the van called classic edit books command cra you may you more opportunity say omo enya books easily na say omo read the book na we 1 or 2 days no read the book na we
Wow.
na oja to you know you vision back where say you be book drive no every quarter biana na say end of every school year biana it's books na like I said na you free omo onye free na mo read we na you abeye adeswama o parents need to know every end of school year biana they see any soon say beans and as a box of business sorry no baby Ghana for a gather bia no now there books now wolf you na sabi enkwa na read there no but my in say bit me collect it enya papa wo so dia koma dia mane anu am wolf you no mo so e dey read it.
Wow. Book points in very, 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 very good, and it's a step in the right direction. Now, second one, yeah, very, you know, about now what I say, what's set up this kind of hives, classes for. Tell me about it. How do you see the Saturday be a bit of Tree language? Send out how feasible it is.
It's very easy, and I say it's maybe a try. Say me find say language idea is so, and na said him say your mindset be say oh treat it easy, and easy be say or better was say the work can all cover way bra consensus you mame ko when the tree kasa no be respond or the bro be respond as what the all can say. Then so no, to get them to speak the tree language no and a problem.
Okay.
You say nipa no comfortable so as more be can or can but then say adebia no be devote to ne ho so be sua no e den a wo hu e no hu so out the year adwuma na mom so nipa no ni resources na say oni opportunity say obeka kosua e be de no osua.
Okay.
Ye ne mom ka tree no fie de na mom wo baby a we dedicated say once a week and once a week you go no so obeba be sua e den na ordinary beto from no osua ni.
Wow. Nana
before a king empty-handed, but in our way of showing appreciation, we want to acknowledge the fact that you actually came and then gifted our newly crowned king, something from your heart. So when we are trying not to sell this, but to give it to you as a way of showing our appreciation, so it's going for a cool $1,000. And so, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to say, I want to bless the newly crowned king, with $1,000, just so that will be your seed, in ensuring that we have a very sustainable rulership. So these are going, the first ones are going for just a cool $1,000. 1,000. And honestly, so what's the morning?
with your body tell no. In say asanteme no be koso e ofie ohene born to a gentle boa for confanachi you confanachi and projects be pray obviously our contribution be or any plans say be a obetimi so abo because asanteme dey any G confanachi several 6 regions first and 10 regions several 6 then 16 several more than 10 been for Cote d'Ivoire in about no man then I you have no it's kind on
okay. But that's it. A few months ago, for Anna your Asantehene North America, among other states na me bobo mu dey send no more hanom. Yen nyina ke kan yen sa say donation yen contribution kakra e could donate $4,000
wow
towards the Hill Confanoche. And then you made the nyina no. Kente dance no na yebotae ne say Denver so no e be boaboa kakra no na so e de akọ na de Denver din ato so say so Denver for no so de kakra so nya so de be support Hill Confanoche. So say de kan no me me obantma
the Confanoche
me Confanoche ne mom me ma me bi na okobantuma djuma na fe ne mama.
Okay.
I'm say yes ho na e wo me. Na mom G na my call this year when you say car mo da so keep cards now we na me card da ho no.
Me say how am I go we there.
And I'm call Soldier Alliance so ntino.
Wow.
Me nam a friend say a casualty on first emergency by na friend casualty.
Okay.
When I'm war no sa na me the Soldier Alliance G there
kai
ne kai unam bi kai ni mo no ma na say Wawura hospital inside one na fast on man na nwura mu kwan bi do na o de school tino G de ɛyɛ nyinaa dia na sɛ deɛ ɔka no ma da hɔ da me ma mabusua no yɛwɔ bantoma da ɛyɛ G de obi kura free sɛ deɛ ɔka na Ivory Coast ɛba na ɔte bantoma da ɔyɛ den abɛkɔ G G nyinaa yɛ fie na sɛ deɛ ɔpem so ɔka ne sɛ kɔmfa no kyɛ de ne din to G so no ɔno wanyare da ɛna yama G ayare nti no anwummere no yɛboaboa yɛn saa no kakra de yɛbɛnya no sɛbi yɛtete yɛ kakra a yɛbɛnya no yɛde so yɛde bɛkɔ de akɔboa.
Wow, this is so cool. Me kana me nyawe o. They say likely say very likely say we must have back number 2 din say Denver for musumo to bomb.
The OTUMFOUR abɛyɛ ama yɛn no yɛni aso yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ fie ne yɛhyɛ da akɔda no ase command ase da pa nti no yɛnhyɛ bɔ ne mmom no yɛwɔ yɛni so.
Ciao. That's panana. Bibi wa pesa kaka wana.
Yo, yɛ kakra bɛpɛ sɛ meka ne sɛ asante yɛ baako pɛ baabi a yɛwɔ biara no yɛnyere yɛn ho sɛ yɛbɛka yɛn ho abɔ mu. Yɛde kakra ɛwɔ Colorado hanom mpanyinfoɔ bi na ɛhyɛ aseɛ bɛyɛ 22 years ago ɛna ɔmo yɛ sɛ ɔmo keka yɛn abɔ mu ano na deɛ nipa a ɔmo sɛ yɛbɛho ano ɔmo nyinaa no nyɛ ɔmo nyinaa na sɛ bi ɔmo yɛ Ghanafoɔ na nyɛ sɛ bi nyɛ ɔmo nyinaa na yɛ Asante Mankofoɔ na mmom no ɔmo nyinaa ba sɛ ɔmo bɛboa ama na yɛ fɛ deɛ mɛka baako atoa so ne sɛ wotu kwan a na entity yɛde titi wɔ fie no mɛma awura mfi mete a meteɛ no mebɛtu nipa bebree wɔ kurom a atena kurom a bɛyɛ a little over 20 years na sɛdeɛ meka no earlier no ekuo no me join na mekora na meka nkora a yɛwɔ mu.
Wow.
Na mpanyinfoɔ bebree wɔ mu a ebia suban bi nti ne yɛ bi nti no mo sɛ me nso so metumi aba na masoma bɛsɔ babɛyɛ bibi nti no wotu kwan a sɛdeɛ meka no na ahobrɛaseɛ ne suban pa bi a yɛde tetew no mɛma awura mfi na ɛtoa so.
That's part. And the kwa na kabro yɛ fi yɛne amanfoɔ di nkɔmmɔ mo mba kente dance no mo practice sɛ ɔdaroma ebru sɛ bitimi anka afi bia ho timo mo obi sɛ ohun bia 16 years ago ohun sadi sɛ bɛ a ebitimi de because kente yɛ Ghana
sa
ti pia kente na Ghana
sa
with ɔdaroma
that's it. And then nipa mo ba ha no sɛ menka mani a ɛbɛboro bɛyɛ 300.
Yep.
Nti no although yɛwɔ kurom a deɛ but then kente dodoɔ a obiara metumi aka sɛ at least bɛyɛ 70% of ɔmo baa no obiara fira kente mu no nti the last bɛyɛ 2-3 months you know kakra no indirectly ne so you put a lot into the Ghana economy. DHL for koraa agye nneɛma aba Denver hanom no ɛnyɛ nipa ketewa ɛna mmaa ɔmapam nneɛma a ɛnyɛ ade ketewa nti sɛ yɛn nso no sɛ kente dance no na yɛn nso yɛde kakra Denverfoɔ na Coloradofoɔ nso yɛbɛtumi ɛde contribute kakra to Ghana sɛ nnuanom ani gye ho a ɔnom ani gye yɛ a mene nananom bɛdwene ho na sɛdeɛ biribi esi ani so no da biara no this year na ɛhɛ kɔmfa no kyɛ ebia next year no yɛbɛnya botaeɛ foforɔ de asi ani so asan organize game to yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ama no ayɛ ɛkora bɛyɛ mede sɛ afe biara no yɛbɛyɛ biribi sie na yɛde Asanteman ne Ghana din ato so.
That's a pass.
Let's go again, DJ. Let's go.
Nana Amma Kima Minchini Aguneria Mwase. I was Santimine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Okay.
And I'll wait people America. It's America, what's the name?
Oh, me say Denver, Colorado.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
my name is Papa and my mom and then my siblings as well. Yeah.
Nice one. Are you real wife, Papa?
Oh, me that's it.
Want to put my tie in the mouth?
Into yeah, my designer friend of Priscilla.
Okay, man, shout out.
Priscilla, hi Priscilla, thanks for this outfit. And also shout out to my mom, Merita Chubesi, Cecile Ghana. On the Pamatariation.
I'm a 360. I'm a 360.
Hey.
Wow, you look good.
Yeah, thank
You look good.
you. On the talking to the mom and Priscilla Pama. Shout out to
Wow.
her.
Now, the permanent wife for Ghana, I saw her.
Actually, you know what
Wow, let her join you. So, you are the designer?
Yes, sir.
Wow, wow.
How do you like it?
She looks good in it. Trust
Thank
me.
you. She
And-
did a good job.
Yeah, I'm about to talk about yours because
Okay, okay.
you are flaunting. Trust
Okay,
me.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Traditional.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, we all look
I
good.
see you.
So I want to finish with you. Then I'll give the microphone to her,
Okay.
or she can still speak and then it will still come out.
Okay.
So tell me, what went through your mind when you was coming up with this outfit? So what inspired this design? I know you're a designer, right? Wow, fashion designer. Tell me more. You designed this one, the one she's wearing, and the one you're wearing.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me about hers. What inspired the design?
So as I said, $1 million face, you know? She needs to wear something classy. Not too much is showing, but still the figure is showing, you know? Give us a 360. Yes, 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 yes. Just keep it classy. That's all I got to say.
Wow. So how many hours did you use coming up with this? How many days? How many hours?
It took us like 2 weeks or so.
Wow.
She was like fully booked.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is so cool. Tell me about yours.
Oh, mine
What's
was
the name of this
simple.
design?
I like comfortable. I like simple stuff. So that's what you got.
Wow. What's the name of the star?
Sorry?
What is the name of your star?
Oh, there's no name.
Wow, it looks so good on you.
Thank
Do
you.
you have siblings in Ghana, friends that you want to say shout outs to? This is a global platform to two media, everybody watching. So just flow.
Shout out to the Ghanaian youth, Yewo Krum. You already know.
Wow, that's so cool. All right, now someone to cheat there.
Pachoai.
I am to Ghana.
Pachoai.
Okay, so nice. All right, is there anything you want to add because we are calling it out?
It was an amazing event. We're glad to be here and experience it. So keep the culture up. We cannot lose it. That's all we got to say.
That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oh, I'm so beyond just Hey. Wow. Nice meeting you. Yeah, I was just speaking with your dad. Yeah, they short interview. Join him. Yeah, this is the microphone. So you can hold it for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Instead of one thing, the patch frozen.
Benis Boache. Akosia Boache.
Akosia Boache. And I would drop a punching.
Me jam me papa punching.
Wow.
77 years old. No more for.
You don't mean it.
Me papa won't fair.
Wow. Nice one. Now you may be sure what is going on.
Oh, Denver, Colorado. So when you may your name penny for Asia Ena Yena Yabaha.
Wow.
So I had it and you're on it. You're baby. Yeah, see you. You're baby same.
Yes, nice one.
You're the king say up.
No one can be so not to what more.
Oh, me can't say dear, me the Frigana. Then I buy.
Man, shout out, don't pump me, mom.
Me review. Me palm match.
Okay.
Me palm match.
Wow, but you
Fosty,
okay.
my sister Fosty.
You look so good in the chair, man. Shout out.
Fosty, why are you? Why are they? Me ma piafo.
Wow.
I'm say me why you fe.
Oh, why for sir?
Labadi side. Labadi side.
Nice
Me
one.
palm match.
Wow. Now, one person show be Ghana find the honor.
Oh, Ghana for the me chamu nyina. Why? Ye ba beto aba ye pa tro ye pa sumdue. Why? Ye sramu nyina ye pa sumdue cuz da chen ye pese ye be fie. Na ye be niema bi. So ye sramu monfa asumdue ye nto aba no man ye chamu nyina. Why? Ye be chamu bia SIC for mo nyina.
Na sina pacha was a frozen. Yeah, friend me. Sammy. Okay. AKA Mr. International man. Wow. Now you made the my friend. Who can take? There's just where they be free bone you pay. Every bone you crew. Wow. One and only. Wow. Yeah. Nice one. Now instead of one for the training, what are you expecting tonight? What's it? What are your expectations? And then you made my expectations. Yes. I just want to have fun. That's all. Okay. Yeah.
Or you know, yeah, and say, Tracy, the say, ASANTEHENE, you walk America. The features here, a year and to bois, so at the bois, yeah, my anti Wayno, if features here, I dare the features here back. And then, a dry boy, ye be sika a month for ABE sika pana. No maybe a year to say your hospitals, Ghana hospitals. Now go share I are sabi baby in Nipadida. Yana I because Fiena in your beer. Now me cause baby I would done and Pakra would that's all. Now and hold it. Been with the form tin.
Wow.
So until yes and to go here. You better transfer near to maybe here says say a near the boy man. Yes, straight to
sure, we want to know. If you are so agent to war Ghana or the Kofanochi hospital, you say, I think it's in line. You know, very likely to become Ghana. You have ASANTEHENE is a conference series, Kumasi. You know, Uber agent say, you beat me agent to buy a course project in Ubiana.
Yeah, I mean, in fact, KUSI High School, we are one of the seniors.
Wow.
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
And you know, Manchester, New York, High School, most of them. Yeah, only here in which in the boy high school. But some see dormitories and I say, I'm a dining hall and maybe better. Yeah, we are. Idea to see a near period. You perceive and show a boy in mind. So, Nagana, maybe be an essay at my buying. Maybe be an essay at my buying. To go be an answer up high, I see a way, said the boy in my beer. Essentially, a boy in mind. Me, my bidder. We come on and maybe Miss wheelchairs. Yes, wheelchairs. Any empa. Any hospital gowns and come over. That's a 200. It come out, man. So, you know, will be there. Also,
start giving back.
This is the time to do.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's
the
when you're now,
that's fine.
Sure, why?
Sure. All right. Have a good one. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Texas, maybe move free all over the United States. And I'm going to do a celebrity. And I'm going to swear in. Nana Usababio. And I'm there Sunday, no. The day Kente dance. So, Sunday, one no. My shabby Kente the fair Kente chair. What I say. And I'm a shama tired there. It's a never for the come on. Yeah, be so much. I don't show woman. Man, I address you woman. And then what about the fashion design and the day. Now what shall be? Now what trying the expectation. Cinema do hand, but you come back car. By the way, cinema frozen.
My friend Joseph.
Joseph, bring me a car. My channel is friend Tuntum Media.
All right.
You cover global programs all over the world, especially to promote Ghana and Ashanti culture. It's an quick Kente dancing, and they can take you never through already. That's it. What's it come on? You're frozen.
My friend Joseph Kwame.
Joseph Kwame. Wow, nice one. And you may. Kente dance. What are your expectations?
To be frank, I'm really happy to come to this program. When you're Japan, like this is my first time coming. If you Chicago, I'm a champion of TV, like, and I'm also a vegetarian.
Okay.
Yeah, and like my first time witnessing this
Ashanti culture,
and I'm really happy. Like from yesterday, started yesterday where the instruments of the exchange and stuff. So like, I experienced everything, and I'm here to experience the grand finale.
So being a vegetarian and getting to know the Ashanti culture, what have you picked up?
Oh, there's some significant amount of veterans and Ashanti. So they try to make sure that the procedures in which they are trying to listen are always maintained. Like the kente for staff, we have in common, the instruments is also there. But just the language and certain things that have just changed over. Except that everything is good.
I mean, we are all Ghanaians, so basically we have things in common, our culture, similarities, and we have most of things in common. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me. You look good.
Thank you very much.
Who dressed you? Who?
I did it in Ghana though. Like
wow, mention him. Give me a mention.
He's just a normal guy. Like he just
what's his name?
It's called Titi.
Titi, shout out to him.
He's at Spintex though.
Spintex,
yeah,
okay. Shout out to you, Titi. Spintex.
Right. Thank you very much.
You welcome, bro. Have a good evening, yeah, and enjoy yourself. Serious. Let's not share what happened with you. Wow. You guys look good. Yeah. Sure. Joey, right?
Yes.
Come on, let's stop. Come on. It's not on. Come on, let's stop. What's your name? Anastasia. That's beautiful. You look good. Where are you coming from? Are you from Denver? Yes. Who dressed you? What was the name of your designer?
Her name is Era Couture. She's in Kumasi.
Give her a big shout out. You look so good. You look amazing. Alright, shout out to you. Also here for Patasi. Kumasi. Oh, nice. Wow. Now, what are you expecting tonight?
I'm expecting to have fun. I've never been to Kente dance before, so I don't know what to expect, but I hope to have fun.
All the best, yeah? Have fun. Thank you so much. Alright, sure. Okay, so now, your name of a breeding come on, and I'm almost trying more expectations. And then we'll frap on some bar. Now, I'm performing, and other artists, but we'll be happy to say, or have fun anyway. So just stay tuned here, and I'm going to give you other updates. Thank you so much. if you're frozen.
The family I'm out domestic.
Wow.
I am domestic.
Why if it's too much?
Me das.
I thought you want to come out.
I friend a fear Julie fashion or Maxima. Kumasi Tech, Papa Mario. Maxima,
Okay.
I want to come with the baby. On am my face.
Nice. Man, shut up.
Oh no.
Yeah. Okay.
A fear Julie, shout out to a fear Julie.
Nice one.
On a palm man.
Nice one. There's a gun out for Kumasi.
Kumasi met Maxima.
Oh wow. Nice one. What's all to go on?
What's
all to be crabs out to Maxima?
Oh yeah. Me chia me papa, a friend Nana ya Janswa or Maxima. Me chia me brother, a friend of Dr. PY, also Maxima. And then me ma, a first a Regina, and Julie, me chia yeah. And a Kente dance, and a Denver. Most of the time I tie Kente dance. It's all shy. And so be a Kente. I fear Julia to trim Kente.
Nice one. Wow.
Fear Julie.
That's
fear Julie in the family.
Any fear Julie,
yeah, oh, I am.
So you are going to have fun tonight.
Good. We are looking forward to that. They say about for Ambonsanso and Tiaba Diasa.
So what's your
perfect.
Is there anything else you want to add? You want to say?
Oh, me and Michelle will be Regina. Julie Munyan Papa, ever Bagana, and December, you know, vacation.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Come back to Tuntum Media, so.
Hey, fa.
Tuntum Media.
Tuntum Media.
Yeah.
Hey, any.
Tuntum
Media. Onya mo huye na ekoye.
So what you say?
Ekoye akasa.
Tuntum Media.
Hey, Tuntum Media.
Nice.
Yenye ye wo krom. Ekoye nsuso. Ekoye akasa.
Wow.
Hey, ekoye.
But why if a papa person will be so bia no bia nche no why the palm on tie the mom because person will be some say material stop perform me why the palm on tie the mom
Atadie Efrizita Anazimbe East Lagos Ghana West Africa Ekoyi Akasa.
I'm a triste to be who design. Wow. It's so nice. Number 12 say.
Me pacho ye frame Abuna Safwa me free obo kwawo. Ane eso me kunu if your fence so. Ye betai ASANTEHENE echi.
Nice one. Now, anyway, what are you expecting? You say I'm having fun. And then I hear him say,
oh yeah, expect to say. Your friend is saying, Ophoria Ponsa. Or the Yebeko down memory lane, Asantiago style. Asantiago style.
They didn't about how to
my African girl, Are you ready now? Do you feel it?
APTC, right?
APTC, I'm gonna shine. Oh yes.
Thank you so much. So, Bodina train.
All right, your friend and I go share free every year.
Okay.
Kumasi Accra, we free and Kumasi Ahi.
Wow.
Matter the Cynthia fashions the pame from Accra.
Wow.
Which yana nekia, Miniana nekia, or ye Juma or Ghana Commercial Bank, head office, or new Kuno dollar. Our presence is our presence. And then my officer chief, which yeah, officer dollar, and then chair officer chief, me back officer chief, which a free, which where Kumensa, which Papa Kwesi, which will be a bit my Doris, I walk mass, she'll be able to see a phone in
My Doris with massive.
Maso for you chrome. My Doris, Maso for you chrome out, or told force to Ashtown. And I say, you're sure, Mr. Osei, look, Mr. Osei.
Oh.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah, man, of course, said, Shammy the Brigade, some of them.
It shall be. American, what's it for, sir?
America, Mr. Denver, here, Colorado, here, yeah, Denver, Colorado, and then, yes, new. ASANTEHENE and a yebe jam KENTE. Yeah, the Chagana phone now. The chair, we are saying, Mr. Abatwa, to know this year, no any peaceful. Emma Yenina, we love Ghana. She'll be an echo, yeah, Ghana. She'll be a
mommy, never say.
If I show your friend, say what record too.
Wow.
Mr. Denver had from her. And I'm free trade him ebaneme. I and Ghana so with CPC. Kumasi. Yeah, when I'm so few.
Wow.
I see with CPC for you now. After so you're bassy about 1,000 man for it. You could can him for you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You have a tower watch.
Wow. And I was at chat to the phone now.
The stand chat to the phone.
Shout out to the phone now. But oh, now, Uber Bridge, yeah, man.
Maybe I approached him 26 years.
Wow.
Now I'm in New York. From there, I'm a Babette now, Colorado. It's now New York for 10 years. And the rest of my days is in Colorado.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one. Now, what to be a person in my Bridge before now? About some high chili, always experience.
As some American children say, won't very demand. Now, from 50 years, no more retire, no more coffee. Now, almost ends now, Emma, and as almost call, almost try to have early retirement. We are saying, Ghana, now one dinner, who makes me their coffee. Enti ni kwanse ye say time nyina e wa ha na yetimi kofi enjoy.
That's fine. Then there's a go say go nya and go to time to go to
Yes.
Time. Wow. That's
Yes.
funny if you tune up the crap. I'm going to put my time on my episode.
Me pamatari French phobia wa ha eno
Okay.
mo pamma me.
That's so
Yeah.
nice. Now, let's look into no turn on him from.
Me to no sister B, a friend sister B.
Okay.
On the ton sa kente na me to free.
Oh, him from.
Ewo Aurora ha.
Alright, man,
Yeah.
shout outs. I'm on my friend. She sister Julie said, I'm talking to my wife. He said, let's get into your friend saying, you would do on
Kente de passion and de minim ni.
Okay, nice man. You said with time and you see you
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice man. Wow, wife for
That's
wife is so much.
That's it.
Oh, you have a so just one.
The American say onyame mmoa wo na bibia wo ye bia no enko so ma obi biara wo Ghana fo nyina mu the American chat
Yeah.
why
That's
Min ayi. Nana Jamfu Amonu.
nice one.
I remember Nana Jamfu.
Amonu.
Me bana nene ayi Amonu.
I'm just
Ah, Jamfu Amonu.
You mean why you sweet pa?
I'm that's it.
Just
Me that's pa.
I'm on my episode.
Ai, me ho ayefe.
Nice one, nice one. Who be so channel na?
Ah, me chia Ghana fo nyina, especially me mama. My friend Mama Sarabadu. Ah, whatever. SDA Church.
Okay.
And also feel one ma me chia me sister Penny.
Okay.
Mr. Penny a friend Mrs. Rose. Also Kakra, a former a friend say SDA Asokore.
Okay.
A principal. I friend Mrs. Rose also Kakra. Me chia na pa me ba ma me sewa. Me chia na me ba comfort. Me chia no. Just me chia ma bush your phone na work green with some more questions there.
Nice way SDA no.
Ah, Pacham yesterday.
Miss me SDA.
Oh, sir. Yesterday, come.
And your condo.
Yeah, be a queer.
Nice one. Now, who back room match?
I'm back from my check. The back room on me for 30 years. Yeah.
Wow, you may idea.
Ah, event day.
Wow, nice one. Now, what do you have to, walk catch back,
Oh, maybe the mechanic say. So be person bubble chair, Yankopon boy the pacono. Na, o medra sum je oba. We say be on bar, o munye siro, o ba no the life na be dia go. Obi oba bia, o mana ni na ho. Na on fa ho adimbra. Na oba abe na Yankopon be boa no. Se school na person ko a Yankopon be mo nimdie, obebie kwan na ma wo. Watima atua wa disuaso. And the idea here pa Ghana de unse one more honor Ghana 60 years no more retire. Aha ebu 66. So person ko full retirement 66. Ne boy is ebu 66 10 months. It depend with years no. And be how long how many years will be retired. Into so idea here pa yesera de say Ghana for ya be krom ha na me mo obi biara kanka omo ni krata the promise tena de ye mo Onyankopon mo bia woni krata wo kroma wonya krata na be bi okobia watima akọ ayesa woni krata bibia na mo akachire ti ye mpa bone se ye nwe no oba ha wo ni kraja kopo bia kwa ma wo mo no so munya krata ena de mesa aka bia se Ghana no de unya 60 years ya na retire ha ntisa na mbisa so bompa yes ye nyina aba kwantom ma ye nkofie na mfa yare enko na ye bra bebre nya enso enko joy
Let's go. DJ,
for another body that's the process.
Me din de Nana Akwesi Sapon. Me Denver, Colorado, BENKUMHENE.
And then wife
Me that's it.
wife.
Me that's it.
Now, okay, what is the inspiration behind this KENTE? What's the science the name or no?
I want say me Asantehene ya kani. Enti symbols no Asante symbols. And I did that continue. Yeah. Me that's it.
Now, what on hefa?
Me akasa me free and tonso. Eti mi kuro mu de yeye ntoma wo ho. Eti me said that come here mama.
Wow. And on wife papa.
That's it.
But what of Palma or among wife?
Yeah, me that's it.
Now, me mama baby. I'm in top of that. Now who be up so chalana?
Me tia
Ora.
Me tia Steven. Ona ma me ho ayefe, ona siesie me ho yi. Na me tia Starboy so. Me tia mabusuafo nyina mo Ghana. Enje mu behu me meba. Ese me ba mansia na me de mo betia opem so. Ti me ba mo behu me.
Yeah.
All right. So sir.
You want power ma to media so. Number 2 body travel.
A friend Nana Kwame Aposako for Denver, Colorado, ASANTEHENE.
Wow. I'm not using our side come up.
Sir.
Now introduce a moment now in Chile.
Member any a mama for you. Where your friend Nana a cha and a Tuneboa ASANTEHENE and the KUSI.
Wow. But I saw the mic in the show, man. I know what I said.
Okay.
The first say.
A cha.
Okay. And I will say.
Trevor.
Okay, wow. This one.
ASANTEHENE.
ASANTEHENE. Nice.
Kasiwa.
Oh, interesting. See that? That's the way this go.
That's it.
Where this can actually, that's where this can buy. Now you say, say I will see me extra. Obey. Ya mamrene. Ya kind. Amandene mamre ofi. All Britrano. Say this bit.
Abribia mechira almost said ye. Ombetimi aka mekasa. No ombetimi sua amamre. Said ye ASANTEHENE. Dan den nyina me no mo kasa. Ye kasa wo ye ne ya kasa mu. Said the beya obehu said ye amamre sitie.
Nice one. Now, and then why for power? Now, what a paper woman tell the more was out. What a bomb life out.
Yeah, my baby or Ghana. I wore a hinsign.
Wow.
And oh, yeah, yes, sir.
The friend is saying.
Today stars.
Man, shout out.
Today stars. I did why no one my Hawaii Federal. Yet I was a pa.
What's all in for, sir?
I sign.
Nice one. Why papa? KENTE dance there. Man, top baby. I think you are the best family here so far.
Yeah.
How about you? You know what person show be na?
Person me chia. Majuma me for Triforce. Any undeserved furniture. Oh, Kumasi. And also yen hostel or Maritime University. Nungwa chia bibia.
Na most person show be na. That's fine. Let me show for that. That's fast.
Okay.
See now, I'm wife too much.
Thank you.
What's your from say?
From a Yao Jakwa.
Wow. We are just I want to hear number.
Yes.
Number 2 is the first I offer. Wow, nice one. Now Ghana, but who free for? Ghana, who free for Ghana?
Oh, be free, be ASANTEHENE. I'm a papa for offense, so I Ademra, and I'm so free in Kawe Penny.
Nice one. Now, KENTE, I want to say here, what is the inspiration behind this KENTE? Why papa? I don't know how much KENTE every
KENTE is from KENTE Glam. Yeah, all the way from Ghana or Bungri.
Wow. Yeah. And shout out to KENTE Club.
Shout out to Kente.
Shout out to Kente Glam.
And House of Hope.
Wow, oh my, so much. Wow.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, but time the China, you're going to choose them. Program.
Wow, nice one.
Yeah, Nana will be on to the Waha.
Nice one.
Yeah, pass on to mine come boom.
Okay.
18 years in Iowa.
Wow.
Yeah, better.
Now, America more programs. Whatever have you now?
Yeah, we're done by. Yeah, we're done by.
Now, more we have some with China or Ghana and I think our honor.
Or Ghana, there won't be and go for me, was a child more. Your hands, CEO. The best contractor, Mr. Yawa, best contractor in Ghana.
Wow.
So, who are butchery? Now, so who see dying? Now, he'll be a or best so move. Only and throw on Fausika. Bibia, so $1 and $100 commander, what the $1 buyer of Jumama. Mr. Yawa, your hands corporations of Ghana.
Wow. Mr. Hans, one shout out to you.
Yeah.
Oh, Ghana, what was that?
Oh, East Legon, American house or NO.
Nice one.
And to Shana, just Google your hands. International.
Where am I free advert? Your hands, more shout out, more shout out. Well, I offer bring a worry, Papa. Now, finally, Sana was be handsome cultural values in our Britain. About Britain, Sana was be translate free for culture, sorry.
Oh, we always want to get involved with a lot of cultural stuff. So that you really feel cheap.
And you may offer with the one for what am I frozen?
My friend and I say Abus.
Wow.
Yes.
Ciao. When Madame Namana?
Oh, me here, no. Mrs.
Oh, nice. Mrs. Bones, one fair. You guys look good together.
Thank you.
Now, and you may, what are you expecting?
We're expecting tradition. As you can see, traditional dance. We're expecting classic performance and a good speech from our new Denver Ashanti King. Wow. You know, that's why we are here tonight.
Nice,
and then you may have because of say Enra Asante former Colorado is here. Intiene and yes, I bet you mamre. Wow, bet you mamre. Tina, I will be a frack and take come.
That's Ghana for you.
I'm a free Sevilla. I'm free Sevilla. I'm a papa free Quasso. To be a Santini Mamba.
Wow, and you may want to see so much. Design and friend is saying,
me design away there. A friend Angelica or Kumasi, and on Asuna, a palm the camera come a friend Uchi. Wife is your friend Uchi.
Wow, nice.
To me, continue, I'm hearing a boy, man, be fried.
Oh, wow. Anyway, she made the right choice.
Yeah, she did, definitely.
Wow. All the best, yeah.
Thank you.
I hope so you guys are going to have fun tonight.
Thank
you so much.
Appreciate you.
Singing this song, check out the flavor. Only feeling so me daddy. We know you. All right, you can let's go.
Hello, everybody. You're from a Yao. Do that one again.
You're doing good.
Yeah. Nice. So, hello, everybody. You're from a Yao Boku. No. One more time. Yeah. Okay. So, hello, everybody. You're from a Ben. I'm treated in the Yao. Right now, you are watching Tum
Media.
Tum Media.
Of course,
Tune into Tum Media.
I said Tum Media. Yapoku just said it. Watch Tum Media. And then
Media.
you're going to get
Check
the
it out.
best update and
Yes.
the best news and everything. Thank you so much, Yapoku.
Of course.
And have a
It's
good
been awesome.
evening.
Oh,
Enjoy yourself.
thank you.
All right.